get under that, it's going to be another great short. I think if we don't bounce off 43.85, we're going to go down. I got to bounce. You know, we've been trading in between this range here, and I got to bounce the lower end of the range there. So I got me a little bit of SPX short right about here. And all I did there was sell a couple, just pay myself, take the stress off, cover the commissions.
Order filled.
Pay myself again. Is it going to keep going? I don't know, but it sure the hell can. What time is it? We're coming up on calculated level. Pay myself a little bit more. I'm getting myself down to just a couple of contracts because I'm going to be able to add. So come on now, give me a bounce. We're going to bounce at the end of this. It should be right around 50, close to the end of this 15. You know, we're going to bounce. I'm going to get paid right now. Really would like to be all out at 50. There it is.
Order filled.
There we go. So I got filled on the, if we can break up into the 9 or the 15, you bet your ass I'm going to double down. Can't even bounce back through 65, right? So what does that mean? I'm just going to keep adding every time. I get a full size, get a good dump, get myself down to 2, find a good trade, get in again. You know, this is it. This is what we talked about in the meeting last night. I got asked, how do you milk trades? But if we can get through this 50, we should see a nice push, man. There's a pretty good chunk of open interest at 50. There was a pretty good chunk at 60, and we're just trying to push through 60 again. So I want to get some serious size. I got full size on one strike, but I've paid myself twice now. So I'm down to third size or so, well, a little bit more than that. I really want another good setup. So they're going to try everything they can to get you out of your position, right? And then they're going to dump, because that's what they do. So just remember, pay yourself. And you don't have to stress on it so much, right? I just want to wait until this candle, you know, close to the end of this candle. And I think I'm going to take most of this position off, and then I'll get back in on a breakdown. The thing is, if we set a new low now, right, and I could take profits and get all out into that new low, that would be ideal, right?
Order filled.
There we go. Paying myself right there. We're at 50. Target hit. I'm all out, but I can take 40 points, man. That was a good trade. Nothing feels better than trading like a pro, man. Nothing feels better.